So yeah, you know what, we're gonna, it matches my nails. Oh. Hey guys, welcome to a new, different video. Ooh, welcome back if you're one of the loyal squad, and welcome if you are new and have been intrigued by my wonderfully edited thumbnails. Or if you wanted to learn something from the title of this video, or whatever. So, as I'm sure you have guessed, I am off to Paris. Oh, the city of love and romance and art and culture and, oh, glorious buttery food and bread and butter and very high cholesterol is coming my way. I already have it, actually, as a weird side note, but anyway. Okay, so I'm off to Paris, and I thought, because I need to pack, that I would show you, because it may spur me on to pack. My phone should probably be out of the shot. Such a good YouTuber. I am taking this, a Samsonite Neopulse case, which is already featured in one of my vlogs. It's a perfect size. This is allegedly a glittery black. It looks more of a brown up close, but still chic. I also put my name on it in these Kate Spade metal stickers, because why not? So we will jump straight into the first evening. So I'm off to the Eiffel Tower. So I've packed this. Okay, so I decided to go on Fashion Nova for like the first time, and I found this catsuit. It is made out of what is glorified tights. However, it looks glorious on. So I'm going to go for a black catsuit look. Now with that, I'm going to pair it with some Swarovski chandelier earrings. How cute against the black. Oh, killing it. So I'm packing those. The other thing I should probably pack first is underwear, which you don't need to see, you dirty dogs. Socks are always good to have. A bra, which we will come back to because it's a very specific kind of bra for one of my dresses, but we'll be back. We'll come back to that. Not gonna lie, I am packing a vest because Paris is going down to minus, wait for it, 7 degrees while I'm there. So all those years of my mum telling me to wear a vest maybe is coming in handy. So a vest is being packed. Yeah, I'm middle-aged, whatever, let's deal with it. So I'm wearing those. Also, I'm deciding to wear my Versace robe as a coat in my first evening look, and it's going to be glorious. You know, I'm gonna rock it with the all black and with the coat. Oh, I'm gonna look like Diddy. Oh, okay, so that is day one evening look. Hold on, shoes. Yes, I pack my shoes in bags or whatever. You know, you got to treat things nice. You know, if you look after them, they'll look after you, because they'll keep you looking fly in your pics. So I'm going to wear that with my Gucci Ace Crystal sneakers, and I'm going to put you on this side because it's flat. Day 2, I've called the look Varsity Girlfriend. Varsity Baseball Girlfriend. Varsity Enter American Sport Here Girlfriend. Mainly because the look is pivotal around this Coach jacket, which I have got for my birthday. By the time you're watching this, I am 25, and that's depressing. So it's this glorious, it's got leather arms, collegiate Coach jacket, and I thought, you know what? A look needs to revolve around this, okay? So that is what I'm going to do. So the whole look is going to be white and blue, because why not? And once again, I'm going to need to pack you on top because you're a thick one. Ooh, she's thick. Also, those are going to go, the Gucci trainers. We're going to go for a blue jean. Pack my good Americans. The best jeans ever. I'm not just saying that because they've sent me stuff. They actually are. I've bought stuff with my own money from there, and it is. No jeans make my arse look that good as those jeans. And what more do you want from a pair of jeans, really? Suck it in, keep it up, we're doing well. Okay, so I've decided, I'm torn on two tops. A plain white body, this is just from Misguided, or a white shirt situation. I thought that could look chic, white and blue. So I've not decided, so I'm packing both. And that is day 2. Day 2 evening is what I've decided is my birthday dinner. So for that, I have packed this glorious Balmain number. I thought we were in France. Let's keep it to the French designers. Now, you remember I told you about that bra? We got some titty action at the front here, so we need to make sure that they're looking as up as possible. So that's what this bra is for. But yes, so this is the look. We're going to try and keep it chic with the all black. You know, the French don't play. I'm thinking of that, and that means that we need some heels. We need some height, ladies. So I'm going for these black pointed I Am Jennifer Lee ankle boots, crystal action. Get the flash going, get some Kira filter. And I've already put in my gel party feet because these are going to wreck my ankles. Day 3, I still am not entirely sure what I'm going to wear because I think I'm going to go for a yes I can wear joggers to brunch look. In which case I'm going to probably wear these joggers. Please ignore my socks. I'm going to wear these joggers, which I got from the Travis Scott shirt. Oh, I've got everything on them. Just bits of fluff. These joggers that I got from the Travis Scott concert, and I'm thinking a grey turtleneck. I thought if we do slim at the top, you know, baggy on the bottom, it weighs it up nicely. So, packing that, and I'm going to wear the same shoes that I'm travelling in, which are these. So, I'm not going to pack these right now, because I'm going to be travelling in those. And those are the Louis Vuitton, I don't know what they're called, runaway sneaker. They're the runaway sneaker. Okay. Oh, also for the collegiate girlfriend look, I am bringing these earrings, which are Zimmermann. Pyjamas! Also worth a remember. That's something that you always forget, isn't it? Pyjamas. Okay. Other items. Now, I'm not going to pack my makeup bag because Lord knows I need that up until the 11th hour. So that will be the last thing to go in. However, I can already start packing my makeup wipes before I forget. Because pyjamas, chargers, makeup wipes are the things I undoubtedly forget. So that's going to go in here, the chargers. So I just got this USB, because all my things have USB now. USB travel adapter, you can switch out the plugs depending on where you're going. Just got this off Amazon. Super handy, that's going in. And chargers. I haven't put in my iPhone charger yet. Let's pray that I remember it. However, my other camera charger, whatever, this works for it, so that's going in. So now I'm going to talk to you about accoutrement and travel item / travel look. Okay, so in accoutrement, we are also going to include this, which I actually haven't used, but I thought, let's bring it out for Paris. The Vita Liberata Luxury Tan Body Blur. And apparently this is an instant HD skin finish, 24-hour wear, and it makes your legs look like that of a Victoria's Secret model, and nothing has sold itself to me more than that promise. So there we go, we're trying that out. I am probably going to put this in a plastic bag because I have an inherent fear of things like this bursting all over my fine clothes. Perfume, okay? This is what annoys me. I don't have one of those little travel-size perfume bottles that I probably should get. So I just take whichever perfume I have that is still in the box. And this is the Tom Ford Neroli Portofino, which is actually more of a summer scent, Cassie, so I'm breaking all the rules. But I still have it in the box. So it's the one I always take with me travelling because it's the only one I have in a box. And I don't want the thing smashing and scenting all of my, say it with me, fine clothes. So that's going in. Oh, also, clutch bag for the evening. Oh, clutch bag is needed for the evening time. Shove her in. So, number 1 item, tickets and other such things. Do not forget. Where am I going? To the Eiffel Tower. To the Eiffel Tower. And also to Palais Garnier, or whatever it's called. So, that. Other thing, my travel wallet, which includes my passport, which we cannot forget. So, this bad boy is also going in. You never know. Compeed blisters, let me tell you, it hits at the worst times. Make sure you've got 2. I've only got 1. Excellent. That's on the list to buy tomorrow. Need those. It strikes, and when it does, it comes down like the hand of God. Also, I got these Way anti-frizz hair sheets that come in this cute little cigarette-esque box, and it says, "You won't believe this sheet." See what I did there, Jen Atkin. Yeah, and these little sheets that are basically like argan oil infused wet wipes, and you just skim it over your hair and it's all like anti-frizzed. So I thought that's excellent. Also, I'm currently on limacycline for mild acne, so I don't want to forget that. So medications, blotting paper, which I actually probably need now, sunglasses. Now let me tell you, aside from Paris being ridiculously cold, it's also meant to be rather sunny. So we need to get these bad boys out. I haven't worn these on purpose because I'm waiting for a Paris debut. I mean, look at her. Look at her. She's too much. So, sunglasses. Do not forget. There we go. In the bag. Also, again, because it's freezing, mittens / gloves and a scarf. Again, all those things your mother told you growing up. They come true at some point. Travel bag done. Now, for the travel look, I'm going for, I got this glorious grey mini turtleneck bodysuit with a thong, lol, exposed zip at the back, from House of CB. It's also got like bra underwearing, so if you wanted to do a no bra moment, it's possible. And it's still gonna hoist it up. So I'm gonna wear this with, also, have you seen how easy that is to hold because of the wiring? Simple pleasures. Okay, so I'm gonna wear that with black jeans, good American, always, a white belt, and my Louis Vuitton trainers that I showed you earlier. So that is the look. Have I done it? Have I raced through? Have I finished? I only need to add my makeup, iPhone charger, and I'm done. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was of use. I hope that I am somewhat entertaining and ever so slightly informative for you. But yes, there will be a Paris vlog all about my Parisian trip and how I got on and whatnot. Like, comment, leave a comment down below, have I forgotten anything, because that would be very useful. Like, it helps me out a lot and it doesn't take very much of your time. Like, comment and subscribe, people, and I will see you in my next video, which will be me in Paris. Oh my gosh, the excitement, it's too much to handle. Yes, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.